Morning, students. Today we are going to find out the derivative by using log. So I have written here logarithmic differentiation. So question number 1, differentiate the following with respect to x. Question number 1, sin x sin 2x into sin 3x. So students, see the solution. Let y equals to sin x sin 2x into sin 3x. Taking log both sides, then log y equals to log sin x sin 2x sin 3x in bracket. So student, log y as it is equals to, when we open the bracket, then multiplication sign will be changed into plus by using this property log m n p, then log m plus log n plus log p. The same rule we are going to use here. So it will become log sin x plus log sin 2x plus log sin 3x. Now students, differentiating both sides with respect to x, log y derivative 1 upon y derivative dy by dx equals to log sin x, log x derivative 1 upon x, the log sin x derivative 1 upon sin x derivative cos x, plus by same rule we have to solve this also students, log x derivative 1 upon x, log sin 2x derivative 1 upon sin 2x. Now sin 2x derivative cos 2x, then 2x derivative 2. By same way we have to solve this also students, log sin 3x 1 upon sin 3x, sin 3x derivative cos 3x, 3x derivative 3. So now students, dy by dx, and by cross multiplication y will come here, cos upon sin cot x, cos 2x upon sin 2x cot 2x, and this 2 will remain as it is, then it will become 2 cot 2x. Similarly this part also 3 cot 3x. Now student, replacing y, at the place of y we can write this question, y value. So y value sin x sin 2x into sin 3x, and this part remain as it is, cot x plus 2 cot 2x plus 3 cot 3x. So this is the derivative of this question, sin x into sin 2x into sin 3x. This question students we can solve by using one more property of the product rule, u, v, w. When three terms are given in the form of product, so we can use this property dy by dx u v w equals to, first we will write vw as it is, differentiation of u, then we will write uw as it is, differentiation of v, plus then we will write uv and differentiation of w. So when three terms are given in the form of multiplication, then we can use this property students. Okay, first write second third term as it is, differentiation of first, plus then write first and third as it is, differentiation of second, plus then write first and second as it is, differentiation of third. If you want to solve this question by using this product rule, so we can solve, or you can solve this question by using logarithm. Now students, next question, differentiate with respect to x. Students, you can see the question x to the power x cos x plus x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Now student, you can see main variable is x and x is also given in power. So when this kind of question will be there, then we have to use log first to simplify it. So remember, when variable to the power variable, in this case we have to simplify first by using log. Okay students, so let's suppose the whole question equals to y equals to x to the power x cos x plus x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Student, in the previous question we have taken log directly because all the terms given in the form of multiplication, then it is easily opened. But in this case student, you can see there is no multiplication sign, there is plus sign between these two terms. So we cannot take log directly because we cannot open the bracket if the sign of plus or minus inside, and we will take log. Okay, if we are taking log, we cannot open it. So in this case we have to suppose separately student. So let's suppose x to the power x cos x equals to u, and this part x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 equals to v. So now the question will become y equals to u plus v. Okay students, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So y differentiation dy by dx. U, there is no x student, so its differentiation cannot be obtained, we have to write du by dx. Similarly v's differentiation cannot be obtained with respect to x, so we will write dv upon dx. So always remember student, when the power of main variable is the variable, in this case we have to suppose separately, and if there is between the sign of plus or minus. Okay, now students, separately we have to solve this part. We are going to solve u equals to x to the power x cos x. So how can we solve this students? To simplify it, we have to take log both side. Taking log both side, log u equals to log x to the power x cos x. Log u equals to x cos x into log x. Here we have used the property log a to the power b, then it will become b log a. Okay students, so it will become x cos x log x. Now students, there are three terms: 1x, second cos x, third log x. Okay, so we have already used log here. Now students, we are going to use the product rule here. Product rule for three terms. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, log u differentiation 1 upon u, and u differentiation with respect to x cannot be obtained. We can write as it is du upon dx equals to, now here three parts students. So second and third part will be written as it is differentiation of first, differentiation of x, plus first and third part will be written as it is x log x, differentiation of second, differentiation of cos x, plus first and second part will be written as it is differentiation of third part x cos x, differentiation of log x. Student, we have used this property here, this rule, product rule for three terms u, v, w. You can see here second and third part written as it is differentiation of first, first and third part written as it is differentiation of second, plus first and second part written as it is differentiation of third. So now students, it will become 1 upon u du upon dx, cos x log x as it is, x differentiation 1, x log x differentiation of cos x minus sin x, x cos x derivative of log x 1 upon x, x is cancelled students here. So du upon dx, by cross multiplication you will come this side, u in bracket cos x log x minus x log x sin x plus cos x. Now replacing u students, at the place of u we can write x to the power x cos x. So du upon dx equals to x to the power x cos x log x minus x log x sin x plus cos x. So this is the derivative of u part student, u to the power x cos x. Now student, we are going to find out derivative of v equals to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 with respect to x. So now taking v equals to this and differentiating both sides with respect to x, it can be easily solved by the help of quotient law or division law. So dv upon dx, so denominator will be as it is, differentiation of numerator is differentiation, 2x plus 0 means 2x, minus sign of formula, numerator as it is, derivative of denominator x square minus 1, its derivative 2x minus 0 means 2x. Now students, I am and deno square students in denominator. Students, 2x is common. What left here? X square minus 1. Minus, outside minus, then sign will be changed. Minus x square minus 1. X square cancel. Being equal values and different sign. Minus 1 minus 2. Multiply by 2x minus 4x upon x square minus 1 whole square as it is. So this is the value of dy by dx or derivative of v. Now students, we have to find out dy by dx. So we are going to put the value of du upon dx and dv upon dx in equation number 1 from equation 2 and equation 3. So at the place of du upon dx, we will write its value, and at the place of dv upon dx, we will write its value. So dy upon dx, du upon dx value, this is students, it will become as it is, x to the power x cos x log x minus x log x sin x plus cos x, and dv upon dx value minus 4x upon x square minus 1 whole square. Okay students, have a nice day.